Look at that little bird. Oh, he floated away. Come on, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Where are you? Come on, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Where are you, birdie? Oh, he floated away. Don't you see that? Oh, there he is. Come on, birdie. I filled up your birdseed's house. Yeah, there you are. A little cardinal. Look at the cardinal over there. He got something. Come on, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Look at that cardinal over there. He's over there in the tree. That's a big bird. What is in his mouth? Birdie. Come on, come on, come on in, birdies. I'm getting cold waiting for you. Look at that birdie in the trees. Look at it, Copper. He's a big bird. That's a cardinal. He got something in his mouth. It's over there. I don't think the birdie is coming, Buko, and gets cold in here. Okay. Look at that birdie. He got something in his. See, he flew. Oh, he's right there. What is that in his? That's a weird bird. This is a big bird. Did you see it, boy? Okay. Where are you? Come. Where are you? I can't find the bird now. All right.